So what happened was I was in an auto accident, and of course, not really ever being in an auto accident before, was not aware of the process, what was involved. It wasn't my fault. So I really wanted to get some help on moving forward to make sure that my medical expenses were covered, that I was feeling better, and that I wasn't going to be left with this debt or extra expenses that I wasn't going to be able to manage myself. So of course I seeked out an attorney, and Dave was referred to me by a friend of mine. So when I spoke with Dave Bulluck, he made it super easy to understand the process. I was able to go see a physician and a couple doctors to tell me exactly what I needed to do to get better. And as long as I followed their recommendations, I am now back to my normal life. And if I ever had any questions, I knew I could always just reach out to Dave, and he'd be able to lead me down the right path to make sure everything was under control. And any other questions I had, I knew I could always just reach out to him and actually talk to him and be able to get some answers. I knew Dave was very capable to help me because he's experienced. He's got lots of experience with auto accidents and other legal matters. And so when I got through with all of my medical treatments, it was super easy and very smooth to get to some kind of end and settlement, and he was able to get me any kind of settlement to cover future expenses as well. And again, the process just was very smooth, very easy, and easy to communicate with him. Working with Dave Bulluck, it sets him apart because I can just reach out to him directly. His staff was super friendly, and if I couldn't get to him, they'd be able to make sure that he got to me as soon as he got a chance. I was able to get my questions answered right away. I never had to I was never frustrated with the process. So he made it super easy to be able to communicate with him. I would absolutely recommend Dave Bulluck. I used him already for several other legal matters. My family has also hired him as an attorney. Friends, anybody that I know that could use some help as far as any kind of auto accidents, legal matters. Dave is always one of my top people to be able to recommend out to those, my personal friends and family.